Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Nocturnal Minds of Okay guys, good luck. Your music is on in 3, 2, 1.
Winner of our highest category, over 18 Intermediate Advanced. How do you feel?
As overwhelmed because of the happenings before our competition. We just remember the problems, and then the money, the financial problem, and it's because of the Lord God. He gave us the opportunity to represent the Philippines in United Kingdom. So this is the first time we represent Philippines in United Kingdom. Thank you for the opportunity, UDO Street Dance Organization. Thank you all, guys. Thank you.
Well done, well done, well done. Congratulations. So, you have found money. How do you want to spend that money?
We will keep it for another opportunity, and if they gave a chance to go back here, we will spend the money to go back here.
Okay.
Yeah.
One more last question, okay? So, do you got a message for the people?
Yeah. Thank you for the support system. There are some strangers, and then they like our dance. They appreciated our culture. So thank you guys. I hope you enjoy our show.